Hello guys, welcome to this video. So this I'm gonna do a review or a review of what I did on good, how what I saw on good. So currently this is on good. This is the chart on good. I previously did a video when good was here. This is where good was when I did a video, and I posted that video on my tweet, and I'm gonna drop the link below the description of this video for you to see. And in that video I mentioned that we have at that video I saw this entry that was about playing out on good, which played out, but I didn't take it due to where good is reactive from, which was from this side here. It pretty did well. I said it. That's also mentioned in that video that it might do well, it might also work, but I didn't take it because it was not a pro joint, which was here. I was supposed to buy from here. This was where I was supposed to buy from on good. I was supposed to buy from there. Right? Let's target this. Yes, high. It played out. Yeah. It did play out, but I didn't take it because good was reactive from this bearish zone where I sell, and it has not yet completed its move. This was the exact place I wanted good to take out before I start looking for another sell opportunity, and which it did. It did. So they delivered the move there. So now what now happened next now? Now this is what I look out for. See, when good break this structure, when it before giving it break of structure to this downside, what did it do first? First of all, give me the inducement that I'm looking for, which is next one. This is the inducement I'm looking for, and pretty much good give it to me. This is the inducement. Then mark out my POI where I'll take the trade from, and now this should be this swing low. So you give me my inducement, everything tight, just waiting for good. So pull back up to this place, then sell. Well, today is actually weekend, Friday, so I don't actually think if gold should trigger. If it were to trigger today, this trade will have to be held throughout the weekend. So alright guys, this is just a review, and just in case if you want to watch the previous video I did on good, how good play out here, check the link in the description to watch the video in my tweet. Alright, bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you find anything insightful here. Bye, see you at the top.